Cancer. This collection of diseases, characterized by uncontrolled cell growth, affects millions worldwide. But what if we could train our bodies to fight back against cancer? That's the promise of immunotherapy, a revolutionary approach to cancer treatment. At the forefront of this revolution are nucleic acid vaccines, DNA and RNA vaccines. Traditional vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of a virus into the body. Nucleic acid vaccines take a different approach. They deliver genetic material, either DNA or RNA, that carries instructions for making specific proteins found on cancer cells. Once the immune system learns to recognize these antigens, it can then target and destroy any cancer cells that display them. This approach is highly specific, meaning it focuses on attacking only cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Imagine injecting a blueprint directly into your cells, instructions that teach them how to defeat cancer. That's essentially what DNA vaccines do. These vaccines work by delivering a small piece of DNA, a genetic code, into certain cells of the body. This DNA contains the instructions for building specific proteins found on the surface of cancer cells, the antigens. Once inside the cell, the DNA migrates to the cell's nucleus, the control center. Here, the cell's machinery reads the DNA and begins producing the cancer-specific antigens. These antigens are then displayed on the surface of the cell, effectively turning the cell into a miniature factory producing wanted posters for the immune system. The immune system then mounts a powerful attack, deploying specialized cells like T cells to seek out and destroy any cells displaying the targeted antigens. If DNA is the blueprint, then RNA is the messenger. RNA vaccines work similarly to DNA vaccines, but with a slightly different approach. Instead of delivering DNA, RNA vaccines deliver messenger RNA, mRNA, a molecule that carries genetic information from the DNA to the cell's protein-making machinery. This mRNA contains the instructions for building the cancer-specific antigens. Once inside the cell, the mRNA is immediately translated into proteins. These proteins are then displayed on the cell surface, just like with DNA vaccines, alerting the immune system to the presence of cancer cells. RNA doesn't need to enter the cell's nucleus. It works directly in the cytoplasm, where proteins are made, making the delivery process more efficient. Section 4. Advantages of nucleic acid vaccines. A powerful new tool. Nucleic acid vaccines offer a powerful new approach to cancer treatment, with several advantages over traditional methods like chemotherapy or radiation therapy. Firstly, nucleic acid vaccines are highly specific. They target only cancer cells, leaving healthy cells unharmed. This targeted approach minimizes side effects, a significant concern with traditional cancer treatments, which often damage healthy cells in their quest to destroy cancerous ones. Unlike traditional vaccines, which often rely on growing large quantities of viruses or bacteria, nucleic acid vaccines can be produced synthetically in the lab. This makes them readily scalable and adaptable to different types of cancer. By delivering the genetic instructions directly into cells, these vaccines effectively turn the body's own cells into vaccine factories, generating a strong and targeted immune response against cancer cells. Section 5. Challenges ahead. Overcoming obstacles to success. While nucleic acid vaccines hold immense promise, several challenges need to be addressed before they become a mainstream treatment option. One of the main challenges is tumor evasion. Cancer cells are masters of disguise, constantly evolving and changing their surface proteins to evade detection by the immune system. Another challenge is the immunosuppressive microenvironment within tumors. Tumors are often surrounded by a complex network of cells and molecules that suppress the immune system, making it difficult for immune cells to infiltrate the tumor and effectively kill cancer cells. Delivery of nucleic acid vaccines to the target cells presents another hurdle. Section 6. The future of cancer treatment, personalized medicine and beyond. The development of nucleic acid vaccines represents a paradigm shift in cancer treatment. These vaccines, with their targeted approach and ability to stimulate a robust immune response, hold the potential to revolutionize how we treat this complex group of diseases. The future of cancer treatment lies in personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to each individual's unique tumor profile. Nucleic acid vaccines are ideally suited for this approach, as they can be designed to target specific mutations or proteins unique to a patient's tumor. This personalized approach promises to improve treatment effectiveness while minimizing side effects. Continued research and development are crucial to overcoming existing challenges and unlocking the full potential of these groundbreaking vaccines. With each breakthrough, we move closer to a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence, but a manageable disease.